Morning guys, and a happy weekend. I'm here back with another vlog today because me and Theo are off on a hike, and it's the thing that we've enjoyed the most, to be honest, during lockdown. We've been on so many hikes around our local area. We live in the Buckinghamshire countryside, so it's been amazing to head off on all-day hikes and explore our local area. Today we are just on one of our usual hikes from our village. It's about a 10 to 15 kilometre hike depending on how tired we get halfway round, and it goes up a certain amount of hills and down a certain amount of hills. We pass through fields of sheep and cows and solar farms as well, so I just thought I'd bring you along with me. We've got a little picnic in the backpack. I've got my hiking boots on and we're just ready to go really. The weather is beautiful. I cannot get over how warm it is. I have got black leggings on, unfortunately, because I didn't really know before we left the house how hot it was going to be, but yeah, it's fine. I've got a vest top on, as you can see, so hopefully I won't get too hot, and I'll cool down pretty well. We're about halfway through our hike, done about 7k. It's taken about an hour and a half or so, and we're going to stop for lunch soon and have some protein balls that we've got, and we've got a couple of sandwiches and of course water. Just had a little pit stop for lunch, and now we're carrying on with the rest of our 7 kilometres, I think it is, or 8 kilometres to the end. So it's cooled down a bit because we're in some of the woods near Milton Keynes, which is good because it's like 27, 28 degrees now and it's midday. Probably wasn't a good idea walking at this time. Came from all the way over there. I've walked all the way here, and home is back over there somewhere. We are finished. 15k, a couple of hours, about 3 hours in total it took. Yeah, really fun hike. Hope you enjoyed coming along with us. I need to go and cool down, and we both need to have a hot shower.